Hey guys, if you're looking for a place to stay here in Makati and BGC, then this is for you. Tara! Andito tayo ngayon sa Maytown, New York para mag-check-in na. Hello po!
Hi sir, good afternoon. Do you have ID po?
Yes.
Can I also have your booking ID po?
Here.
So ngayon, ang room number mo po ay nasa 5th floor po. So, lang po.
Alright. Alright, thank you. O diba, ganoon lang kasimple at kabilis mag-check-in dito sa Maytown, New York. Tara, check natin yung room. Tara, tour kita. Let's go. Check natin yung room natin. Hey, wow. Ganda ng room. Malawak. Alright, so very simple lang yung room natin dito. So para meron na tayong hanger para sa ating mga damit. And meron tayong shower room. And guess what? May heater. Bibig! Dahil dyan, kompleto ang ating toilet room, talagang mag-e-enjoy ang mga gustong one night stay. Diba? Tama? Guess what? Hindi na pinakaitina natin dahil meron tayong view ni BGC! Okay ba? But wait, there's more! May TV! Uy! Wait! De joke lang! Pasok kayo! Tingnan nyo to! May free tissue and may free na towels. So, sulit na sulit yung short stay mo dito. Woo! At hindi lang yon ang makukuha mo pang nag-stay ka dito sa Maytown dahil mag-e-enjoy ka with the gym! And mag-e-enjoy ka pa nag-stay ka dahil merong swimming pool! So if you want to check this out, go to social media accounts of Maytown and book your reservation for Maytown